This thoughtfully designed home in Gandhinagar, India, offers a seamless connection between contemporary living and the surrounding agricultural landscape. Designed by MODO Designs, the house features a linear concrete structure with expansive terraces and a central double-height space that encourages interaction with the outdoors. Large openings and shaded areas allow natural light and ventilation, minimizing the need for mechanical systems. The use of local materials, such as reclaimed wood and stone, reflects the simplicity and natural beauty of the region, creating a serene and sustainable living environment.